Hello everyone. As you know, I am founder and president of Stay Animal Foundation of India. Even though I live in United States, I maintain my shelters and sanctuaries here in Hyderabad, India. So I'm going to give you a tour of one of my shelters here. So we have about 20 kennels here, and the roof is cement roof, which is weatherproof. In India, heat soars up to 115 Fahrenheit, which can get pretty hot. So that's why we wanted to keep a heat-proof roof, which right now it really is weatherproof in winters and summers, and the concrete floor really keeps them stay cool even in the summers. And we also have a mud area on the back to use for their pee and poop, which really helps keep the kennels dry, hygienic and clean. So in this kennel we have orphan puppies who were rescued when they were not even 10 days old, when their mother was poisoned by locals. We have Happy here, who was injured in a road accident, who had a very complex hip surgery. It took many weeks and months to rehabilitate, and finally he is actively walking and running. And we have Indra here, who had a missing paw in an accident, or we don't know exactly. And we have this cute looking puppy who had a tumor, and she is absolutely fine now. And we have more dogs in the back, but they are actually sleeping in the cool mud area. They love to sleep in the mud area because it's so cool, and we water the mud area. And we have Aki here, who had a very bad neck injury. She had such a deep neck injury. It took many months to rehabilitate and develop the tissue on her neck area. And she also had early stages of distemper when we rescued, and finally she is rehabilitated 100%. She is ready to be released on the streets, but she is not ready to sterilize yet because she is not 100% there. So we are just waiting for her sterilization, and we will release her into the streets. Hey everyone, today we have Sai Sri here with us. She is founder of Breathe Animal Home here in Hyderabad, India. She started off with small rescues at her home, one or two, with her pocket money from her part-time job, and she eventually rescued, started treating many more with our help. And today we both together were able to build a shelter with so many kennels and a mobile container home, and much more inside. And this shelter can house injured, paralyzed, any kind of disabled, and it is also a sanctuary. If a dog is rehabilitated, and if the dog cannot be released, we will keep here for life. And let's hear from her.
This is Sai Sri, and I am 21 years old. I started my rescues from past 7 years. Till now I was an individual volunteer till I have collaborated with Safi. And now I am able to rehabilitate these many injured and paralyzed animals with the help of Safi. And before this I used to struggle a lot for financial support. I used to raise funds. For some dogs I used to get, and for some dogs like I used to not get any funding. So I used to suffer a lot. I take help of my friends and family for funding. Sometimes I am able to help, and sometimes I used to live where they are because and sometimes I used to inform other volunteers, but most of the animals I could not help before this. Before getting funding and financial support from Safi, like I struggled a lot. I used to roam many NGOs for help, and some NGOs will genuinely work and some won't. So I used to sometimes I lose hope on my rescues, and after collaborating with Safi, they pay for good hospitals, and all the animals here which we are here, these are all treated in a very multi-speciality hospital, and like Cornerstone, and it's a big hospital, and the boys are there also very good. with the help of them and with the help of Safi, we are able to treat these many dogs.
So now we are going to check the mobile home container that we added recently. So here in the shelter, we do have quite a few kennels and three rooms that we are using. One for cooking, one to keep the paralyzed, and the other for medicines and other groceries. But we do not have a indoor space for a reception or office room, or to keep the computer printers, or to invite volunteers who wants to volunteer here. So when we saw the need to add, we added this brand new container. This container has two rooms with fans, and it has electrical supplies, and we can even add restrooms in the future and if we want to. So let's take a tour inside. So this is our container home. Inside we are going to use this for office and reception, and another room inside for volunteers. So we are going to start the introduction with Sai Shri.
Hello, this is Sai Shri, and these are my team. And we are working together from past 2 to 3 years with all these volunteers, and they are the base for our shelter. And wherever the rescue is there, with the help of these volunteers, we go to the location and take the dog to clinic. So let's introduce myself, Simpuri. Professionally, I'm a playback singer. So I started with a single dog. After that, it was going on with the number of many dogs. So I started taking help from Sai Shri, and she is really amazing. When I started trusting her personally, so slowly now I'm able to concentrate on my profession. I'm coming here when it is necessary. I'm not a full time worker here, but I do my best. What I can do, I'm able to do now, and I'm really happy for her and happy for the shelter now. Thank you, whomever who are the contributors. I don't know who are helping for this. Mainly, I know Ujwala ma'am. So everyone, I'm thanking from my depth of heart. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Vinay. I'm pursuing my degree, and I've been working here since long ago, and I know Sai Sri personally, and this is her dream, and I'm happy for her. And yeah, thank you each and everyone who has supported for this thing.
Hi, this is Neha. Myself, I'm pursuing my degree, and I've started this by fostering some dogs by Sai Sri. She gave me to foster some dogs, and later on, after doing all the rescues, the dogs Shabir Lab, which cheered me up to do more rescues. And I'm also following the Stray Animal Foundation page on Insta. Always which all the donors who are supporting this rescues and all, I want to thank all of them because this is truly genuine and all the volunteers work from their heart, from the bottom of their heart. So I really want to thank everyone, all the donors, and thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Vikas. Actually, I'm a student. I'm doing my MBA in about tourism hospitality management. I met Sai Sri before 1 year. I'm working with her since 1 year. Actually, before becoming a rescuer, I became a vegan. After observing all the pains and sufferings of the animals, I thought to relieve their pain, and Ujjwala ma'am has helped me a lot. I started rescue animals. At that time, there was no money to rescue. Actually, to do rescue, so much money is required for treatment, fostering, and mental health. So there is no scope and no place for me to rescue the animals. After meeting Sai Sri and Ujjwala ma'am, they helped me a lot, and they both are the most best encouragement for me to do this wonderful job. And I wish both Breathe and Stray Animal Foundation of India reach great heights and do so many great work. Thank you very much.
If you remember, this is Chaya. She was, I don't know, maybe 4 to 6 weeks old when she was found in the streets by feeders when legs were paralyzed. No, she still cannot walk, back legs, but disability doesn't stop her from enthusiastic. She is. Love streets, and if you remember, these streets, these are backcountry sausage cuts, and these are absolutely their favorites. All the donors who donated these sausage cuts, thank you so much, right? And she will be in a sanctuary for life, and she cannot live on the streets, and the adoption rate for paralyzed is literally zero in India. No one will adopt her, so she will remain in your sanctuary for life. Welcome, Chaya. She is chunky. She was probably 6 weeks or 8 weeks old when she was found dragging her feet, and she was rescued and sent to the vet, and her back spine was fractured. So she is going to be in our sanctuary for life. She absolutely loves streets. These are the backcountry sausage cuts, and even her.
ఖుషి ఖుషిగా నవ్వుతూ చలాకి మాటలు రూపుతూ హుషారు గొలిపే విందుకే నిషా కనుల దానా ఖుషి ఖుషిగా నవ్వుతూ చలాకి మాటలు రూపుతూ హుషారు గొలిపే విందుకే నిషా కనుల దానా
As you can see, she just cannot move her body, from her waist, not even waist, from her mid of the part down, and so sad, whoever hit her and ran.